Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and insert mop in Roborock S5 Max. And to do this, as you can see, I've already installed the mop, and to remove it we'll need to find the button on the right side of the mop and just press it, then simply pull out the mop. It should go out easy. There's also a button on the other side. So here's the mop. Now to reinsert it, you will need to align it with the water tank like this, and then simply slide it in. And it should attach basically on its own. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.